Ohayo gozaimasu. Genki desu ka? Good morning, you guys. How are you? I'm Candice Kumai, and welcome to the Shiseido J-Beauty Show. The Shiseido J-Beauty Show. Today we're going to be talking about the new Eudermine. This is the new formula which contains yuzu extract and vitamin C, and you will see a difference in your skin on using it almost instantaneously. So when I wake up in the morning, I do a simple swipe of Eudermine to help to revitalize my skin. That contains 2 types of hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, it's got yuzu extracts, and don't forget the fun part of this one is it's environmentally friendly. Now I'm gonna start showing you guys my daily routine. I call this like no makeup look, or like natural, or when I'm in a rush, I call this 2-second makeup. This is Shiseido's Urban Environment Dual Sun Care with hyaluronic acid. I love putting on sunscreen just personally with my Diafude Shiseido brush. Next we have SYNCHRO Skin Self-Refreshing Concealer. Keep one of these in your purse in case you're out on the town. It also brightens the under eye. So if you don't get a lot of sleep, or if you're really just say dehydrated, you can just blend all your worries away. This is Shiseido's SYNCHRO Skin Self-Refreshing Skin Tint. This has SPF 20. I like this because it is dewy and it feels luxurious on the skin, and it will last you just about the entire day. InnerGlow Cheek Powder. This is a blush in Solar Haze number 5. Now we move on to the brows. Here we go. Since I overplucked in junior high, Shiseido's Brow InkTrio. It has 3 different ways that you can fix the brows. When you push it in, it actually helps to distribute more powder on top of the sponge applicator. This is Shiseido's Lash Curler, what they're known for. It's one of their best sellers. I usually do about 3 light taps. To finish off the lash, Shiseido has their ImperialLash MascaraInk in waterproof. When it's waterproof, it really keeps the lash up. This is Shiseido's Lacquer Ink Lip Shine. Lashes, brows, lip, and glow are my favorite 4 things when it comes to easy, simple, quick makeup. If you guys like this look, don't forget to subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to go to Shiseido.com to check out all of your favorite products, including the new Eudermine. I'm Candice Kumai, and I hope to see you again very soon.
Thank you to Shiseido
for having an all-female crew.
Shoot your J-Beauty show.
We hope more large corporations follow your lead
On hiring more females
and more marginalized voices in media and film.
Domo!